Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Take2Fishing. My name is William, and of course, I'm still your host. So I got a few buddies with me. I know that you guys have seen Dustin and Brandon and Steve in the past video creek walks. We have been talking about doing another creek walk. We've just not done it, and now we have finally decided to do such. So we were actually walking Drake's Creek in the Tennessee side. We fished here once before. I guess Steve and them's in front of us with Dustin trying to fish the holes before we get there. If you remember in one of my past videos, there's a gentleman by the name of Brandon Cassidy, and he hooked a big one under the bridge. If you guys have not checked that video out, please do so. I'll be sure to link it right up here for you guys as a recommended to watch. Give or take, man, it's about 63, 64, 65. Partly cloudy skies. Water feels like it's every bit of 55, I guess. If I had to guess, 55. But it was Steve that talked us into this adventure, because none of us actually wanted to do it. We were totally against it. We suggested not doing it. Steve says, man, we just got to go. So it's his idea that we're out here. Actually, it's not. So let me tell y'all the truth. We were setting up this adventure. I had been on vacation. Here's Dustin and Steve right over there, trying to get these guys to go on a creek adventure. Dustin was in, Brandon was in. Steve couldn't figure out whether he was in or not. He was playing hokey pokey on us. And you guys find anything? Sir? Caught one. Oh, what are you saying? You've already fished this side, sir?
No, I said when we fished.
What'd you catch that smallmouth on?
I caught that on a Take2 bait.
Oh, a Take2 bait. So now let's get this out of the way.
Would you like to see it?
You know what? You mean the catch or the bait? I want to see the bait. So, because this is going to be announced today.
This right here is what I caught that smallmouth on.
Check that out, guys.
Beautiful color.
All right.
Perfect fall bait.
I bet I know the color of that too.
And he wanted it really bad. He had it, let go of it, and come back and hit it again about 2 feet from the bank.
There you go. So you heard that. It was a Take2 bait. I have not talked about it. Dustin just broke the news. So Take2Fishing is not only Take2Fishing. Take2Fishing is also Take2 baits. I have decided to get into the bait business. I've been pretty much showing everybody on Instagram. So if you guys have not followed me on Instagram, please do so. I got one of my crawls, a 4-inch green grimmer, coming my direction now. And I'll show you this guy. This is a 4-inch green grimmer. You can find that at take2fishing.com. If you guys are on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Got any questions about the baits, specific colors? Man, I cannot tell you how many different colors are. I just really can't. I can't. There's green grimmer. There's sweet potato. There's brown. There's black. There's 2 or 3 different kinds of blue. But yeah, so I am now in the bait business. You can purchase my baits through take2fishing.com, take2baits.com, or direct message me. And that was a good cast, Steve. That was pretty good. What are you fishing? Rockfish? Sir?
Are you talking?
No. I'm gonna catch one right there against that rock though.
I hope you do. It's a good spot for one.
See, y'all really caught one already, huh?
Yeah, Dustin, he got a picture of it.
He got a picture of it. He said he caught one. I believe him. I'm not calling the man a liar. I didn't say that. I just want to know one thing. Why did y'all run off and leave me? Why did y'all run off and leave me and Brandon?
You and Brandon drove like freaking mountain goat.
Dustin's, dude, that was a heck of a hole to climb down.
I'm not doing that.
And Brandon, when you said there was some big fish, man, look at this crawl action. Check out, look, Steve, you see this? This water is so clear. Look, there's a little fish right there in front of it. This is my green grimmer. Wow. And the claws are actually floating in the water. And right there, man, I don't know how clear this water is, but I don't know. Look, he's picking at it. Y'all see that? And I hope y'all can see that. The little fish in there picking at it. Check that out. That is just super cool, man. So, Dustin is actually fishing with the root beer fizz. Root beer fizz is a root beer color, along with a few choice colors in flake. I probably should stop talking. I think I'm gonna switch to a worm. Where at?
Not where you are.
Was you just over there casting this way?
Where I can get my slack out, set it, and then let go.
Are you fishing with a crawl, Steve?
Yeah. Those small ones.
Well, let me get my bait changed out, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now I am hooking on a Take2 Baits baby bass. If you give me just a second here, I'll show you this one. This is actually a 5-inch Flirty Girl baby bass. Pearl on the bottom. Can't get into details about the top, but you kind of got the idea. This is actually made out of a medium, and it would be considered a finesse style worm. Water's clear, so I think that might be a good color choice. I guess we're gonna find out. Again, each batch of baits. All right, now listen, this is important. Each batch of baits is poured. The product is degassed right off the bat. Well, okay, what's degassed? Well, you ever get product that's got bubbles in it, it's not degassed. All right, check this out. Dustin says he's got one on. There you go.
Little smallmouth.
Awesome, awesome. Little smallmouth. Man. Steve, how many you caught?
Same amount as you, brother. Only a lot less trees.
So, check out what the beavers have done here. This hole used to not be here, and they have completely. This is like a lake, man. Huh? Yeah. No.
Don't look.
Did you catch something?
Don't look.
Oh no.
You already got one? Well, you caught it. I hate you.
Sure enough. A little smaller, huh? Man, this hole, I bet this is gonna be a good hole. Oh, of course, he's gonna fish across me. Did you see this?
It's fish, dude.
Watch. Well, I'll fix and drop it on his feet. You think a crawl would do any good?
Oh yeah, especially if smallmouth feeding the way they are.
Either you'll catch this or you won't.
If I don't, I'll try to keep my eyes on it. I ain't gonna catch it.
Dude, shut up. I gotta come and get that because I feel guilty. I won't even find it, I bet. Just shut up. I should have recorded that and I didn't. God, man, if I don't find that, dude, that was a good crawl. The only crawl I had of that color.
Man, you see it anywhere? What did he throw?
Shut up. Just shut up. I didn't throw nothing. Fell out of my pocket.
What did it throw? Soft plastic bait. Oh, well,
One of the best. Man, I don't even see it.
really? I'll ease that way. Maybe I can find it. I saw exactly where it went.
It ain't worth it.
You're right. You need to come out a little more. You're too close to the bank.
I'm not coming out there.
That's where it went.
I got a stick. My kneecaps are cold.
Get it?
Did you get another one? I'm laughing at y'all. I threw him a crawl trying. Here's floating, man. It's floating. This right there. Fish on. Okay, now I'm recording. Say fish. What?
I seen him.
I just seen you had a fish.
He got off.
Okay, I got fish.
Oh, I thought he got off.
Really? Another one. I should have been over there with you.
Good one.
Largemouth?
Largemouth.
That's the one I caught earlier.
Oh, sorry. I seen your name on it.
All right, so I have now switched to the 7-inch kicker. This is also a green grimmer. Y'all see that? And the tail on it. See the way the tail's mated up like that. Just pull that bar out right there if you want. And create totally different action with the worm. There you go. 7-inch kicker. This guy's earlier, I was talking about bait plastics being a part of Take2Fishing. I really do appreciate those guys, no doubt. Quality line of plastisol. Soft, medium, hard, something in between, hardeners, softeners, highlights, pearls, glitters, pigments, safety products, degassing chambers. Anything that the DIY bait maker could dream up. And you know, there's a lot of people out there that will simply purchase and relabel with their own little brand on it. But I completely trust those guys over at Bait Plastics. Their customer support is through the roof. My bait making, I will say that I definitely owe those guys big time for being a part of Take2Fishing. I also want to give a shout out to Catfish Pro Catfish Baits. Stays on the hook when nothing else does. Well guys, it's cooling down on us. Soaking wet. Steve's got the pneumonia cough.
Got that freaking pneumonia.
Brandon's up there in the front. Dustin's taking up the back end there. Still trying to catch just one more fish. Appreciate you guys joining us once again for this little Take2Fishing adventure. You guys be sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment in the comment section. Appreciate you coming along for the ride. See you next time.
Don't freaking laugh, help somebody.
Let me take your pole.
Here, take my pole. That's better than nothing.
I don't want to grab your
Find my pole.
grab your pole, I'll pull you up. Come on.
Here, give me your freaking hand.
Okay. God.
Man.
Hey, check out. Oh, God. Oh, try
That will go at the end of the video.